Okay, so on this June of eyeshadow looks goals. I know I've missed a few days, but I'm still going. I'm gonna do it and then we'll see how many days I messed up, missed. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So today I'm going to be using the Douce by Juvia's Place. Last night on my live, everybody had me pull out all the Douce palettes. So I've actually used the Magic palette this month. And I think I did another palette. Zulu, maybe? I think I did Zulu. I did Zulu. So now I'm going to do the Douce. And I know some people were saying that, they couldn't see it. But I see so many things in this one. And I think this is a great palette because it's really, I think this is one of Juvia's most easy palettes to work with because the colors are so tonally, work together. All of the mattes, there's 5 mattes, are very, similar yet not, so that you can make a lot of different looks. And then the shimmers are similar but not, so that you can like do some really cool things with it. So today I'm going to do a look with it today. So let's see. So if you'd like to see what happens with the Douce, and I don't know, I haven't decided if I'm just going to do a really basic look that you could do with it, an everyday look, or if I'm going to do something a little more. We're going to see what happens right now. Be back. So I did all that talking and I forgot to set my eyes. So I'm going to set them with my Shape Tape, because y'all know I use my Shape Tape, to set my eyes with, because I certainly don't use it as concealer because it's terrible on my under eyes, and that's pretty much what I use concealer for. I don't really have so many blemishes or spots on the rest of my face that I need to really cover up. And if I'm using it to highlight, which I really don't use my concealer to highlight, I don't know, I've never gotten into that whole, I just don't want that much product on my face. I like going with powders because they blend down, and I'm not trying to, I don't know, it's just I feel like I'm getting cakey at that point. That's all. I mean, I will wear a full face of makeup, but I don't know, it's something about putting all of that on. And I know people do it to highlight, the face and give it dimension and everything, so it's not flat. But I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think. For one thing, I ain't doing all of it, I'm not. I can't afford to use up that much highlighter every time I do my face. I just can't. I mean, because the amount of highlighter that a lot of these children use. What I doing my thing? Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I had to get this because, you need to swish around and swish and clean your brushes. All right, so here's what I'm going to use as kind of my transition, which is this. And I think I'm just going to do a sort of cut creasy kind of vibe. All right, so there we go. I got a little transition. It's I know it's close to my skin color. It's like a peachy color. It's a peachy pink, and I have peachy golden undertones. So on me, this comes out like that. All right, so next up is going to be and I'm sorry, that color was creme right there. And then next up, I'm going to use Custard right there, that hot pink in the middle. Yep, we're going to go with the hot pink in the middle. And I'm just going to put that in my crease, really to really make that pinky. And that's what it's really going to do, is bring out that the pink in the creme. So it's really going to be, and the thing is like, this is pink, but it doesn't show up as hot a pink as it looks. You can build it up. And you know, my suggestion is like when you have colors like that, when you have a palette and it's like kind of driving you crazy, what I normally do is I just swatch the colors I'm thinking about next to each other on my hand to see how it looks. So I'll take like this and I'll be like, okay, this is what this one is here. And I'm like, okay. And then I'll go, see, these two look so pretty together. And I'll say, well, what about this one? And I'll go, yes, I'm loving those all together. And so that's how I figure out what. Now, of course, I'm probably going to use that dark brown because I'm going to need to deepen up the corner just a little bit. But, so like, if I wasn't going to use these two together, I would definitely use these two. I mean, they look so good together. You know, they really do. They really do. Next up, I'm going to hit Chocolat, which is that deep brown. Okay, so yeah, see, I did the cut crease and all that stuff in the voiceover with the music on. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to, you know, fill in with the shimmer. So I think I'm going to do puffs, and I'm not sure how the puffs is going to look. If it's not going to give me enough of a contrast, and so then I think I'm going to use Tarte too. So let's see how it looks. I'm not even going to spray my brush today because I just wanted to, well, I might. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so I am back. Face is on. Oh my goodness, my brows ain't on. I'll be right back. Okay, now I am back, and let's do the under eyes. So, let me get a nice cute little pencil brush or something to get this stuff on right. I should have pulled out a brush before I turned back on the camera, right? That's what I should have done. But if I did everything I should have done, I'd be a saint with lots of money. And probably no kids, and so therefore life wouldn't be the same, and it wouldn't be as fun and awesome. Okay, so what I'm going to use is I'm going to do custard. I'm going to go really bright underneath the eyes. So I'm going to use custard. Okay, now first I want to say, did you all see how I looked at the very end like I was going crazy? But anyway, here is the final look. It's I think this is kind of like a date night, hanging out kind of look. But anyway, I don't know what you want to call it. But anyway, I do like it. It came out really good. Now let me know what you think about it. Of course, as always, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Leave me some comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. As always, it's your LuuLuu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. See you later. Bye-bye.